Today we are reviewing the Trelan 646 WRC Extreme Whole Tree Chipper. This unit is a heavy-duty industrial whole tree chipper that is designed to produce hundreds of tons of quality chips per day. Let's take a moment and go through some of the good reasons for this forward angle cutter wheel design. Long knife life, better chip quality, less pins and fines, large in-feed throat opening, no lodging of material in the throat area, better ability to process larger material with ease, better ability to cut the back side of large tree forks quicker, allowing them to fold up and be processed quickly. Longer hood liner life due to less circulation of chips, easier knife changing of knives. This design requires less horsepower. This design uses less fuel for the same job. This design also makes the unit more productive. In the end, this saves the customer more money, making them more profitable at year's end. As I said, these are just a few of the good reasons for mounting the cutter wheel in this forward angle design. Not to mention, it also produces a more uniform exact chip, and that's a must for a high quality paper chip. Let's talk a minute about iron. Trelan prides itself in putting heavy iron in their chippers where it needs to be. This is to assure all Trelan chippers are built with longevity and performance in mind. Let me show you just a few of these important areas that this type of brute design has been applied in all Trelan chippers, setting them apart from others. First is the chipper cutting wheel that is nearly 6 inches thick and has a 1 inch thick replaceable faceplate. But don't worry, you won't be changing this faceplate for years. Now take a look at this heavy duty chipper cutter wheel base. These bases are built out of iron ranging from 2 inches to 2.5 inches thick. Now that's a base with some iron in it. Here we have Trelan's extremely heavy-duty industrial chipper bearings and housings. This style of bearing and housings are used on all models of Trelan chippers. This type of brute design assures they will last and hold up to the rigorous abuse it takes to produce hundreds of tons of chips a day. Take a look at these large heavy-duty feed wheel drive systems. These are oil-bathed hydraulic-driven torque hubs. These hubs develop a huge amount of torque to the feed wheels, eliminating the need of troublesome chains and sprockets. This type of power is needed when pulling in those large whole trees. Now take a look at these heavy-duty thick infeeds. These infeeds are designed to hold up to the everyday forces and beatings encountered when chipping that large, nasty material day in and day out. This is just a sample of some of the areas with heavy iron Trelan uses. But as you can tell after seeing all of this, there is no worry about where the big iron is used on Trelan chippers. Trelan prides itself in putting heavy iron where it's needed, all for long life and maximum unmatched performance. This chipper is designed to produce a variety of chips from 1/2 inch in length to 1.25 inches. All ideal for everything from paper chips to fuel chips or board chips. This unit comes standard with a 2, 3, or 4 knife cutter wheel of choice. It is equipped with a dirt separator to help assure clean chips when needed, such as making paper chips. The 646 WRC name signifies that it has a massive 64-inch diameter cutter wheel that is nearly 6 inches thick. The WRC stands for Wide Infeed with Remote Control. The 646 is very wide infeed and large diameter feed wheels coupled up with the massive extreme cutter wheel make this chipper a real contender when it comes to chipping large limby wood. This is due to the huge infeed opening and massive amount of inertia the cutter wheel creates. To help assist in the chipping action, this unit is equipped with what is called an auto feed system. This auto feed system simply stops the feed wheels when the engine RPMs fall below its predetermined limits that are set by the operator. This particular machine happens to be equipped with a 600 horse Tier 3 Cummins diesel engine coupled to a massive 18-inch over-center spread bearing clutch for long life. Caterpillar engines are also offered as well. Due to the fact that this machine is an RC model, It comes standard with a cordless radio remote control. This cordless remote allows the operator to control the chipper from an auxiliary loader of choice while sorting grade logs or producing roundwood, all at the same time. As seen here, Trelan chippers are designed with large chipper air intakes and massive fan blades. With this in mind, one not worry about being able to discharge high volumes of material or leafy material. As shown here, this machine is equipped with an easy opening chipper hood. Simply remove the hood bolts and give the hydraulic hand-operated hood opener several pumps to open, all saving on the back with these heavy hoods. Next, up in front of this chipper is a heavy-duty grapple grab hitch. Customers love this hitch design due to the fact it allows them to simply move the chipper in the woods and change landings quickly between loads. Not to mention it prevents taking the time to hook and unhook another semi that could have been running another load of chips to the market. Shown here is a hydraulic front stabilizer. This hydraulic stabilizer makes it fast and easy hooking and unhooking from the transport truck once the unit has reached its destination. We all know that the woods and trees don't get along with tail lights and mud flaps. This is why Trelan elects to get them out of the way when they're not needed. All Trelan chippers are equipped with quick and simple pin on and off tail lights and mud flaps to prevent damage in the woods. All Trelan chippers come with a choice of a straight or curved discharge chute. Either choice of chute is outfitted with a hydraulic swivel midsection and a hydraulic end flipper. These make it possible for the operator to assure a full semi-trailer every time. As you can see here, for tidiness on the job, all Trelan Extreme chippers are equipped with a storage box in the front of the unit. This is for quick storage of the electric and air hookups when not being used. As you may have noticed on all Trelan chippers, Trelan elects to put all single and super single tires on their chippers. This is due to the fact that these style of tires allow for better clearance for the in-woods application. Well, that wraps this video up. The Trelan 646 WRC Extreme is the ideal whole tree chipper for the customer who is looking for a heavy-duty industrial whole tree chipper weighing in over 30,000 pounds and is capable of handling large limbing material with ease. This unit is known to produce large volumes of chips day in and day out to help keep your business profitable every day. If you're interested in any Trelan products, don't hesitate to call us at 989-561-2280 or toll free at 877-487-3526.